Hi friends, welcome to my X journey. So today, oops, I did another detour. So if you've been following my Instagram, you'll probably notice I said 1 out of the 2 has came. And you know what? It might be 1 out of 3 actually. Anyway, so I haven't done an official Chanel unboxing, I think like at least 7 years ago. So if you guys are interested in seeing my very first Chanel bag, please comment below and let me know. Or my previous video about the micro bag videos, I'll put the link above or in the description box below. So without further ado, let me unbox this piece with you guys, and I will tell you guys a story because it's actually quite a story how we get this. It's a pretty rare item. If you've been following Chanel, you probably know this piece is not easy to get, especially in the US. Okay, without further ado, let's do this. So here's like a plastic bag because I had to ship it to my house instead of, pick up from the store. So this was actually shipped out on Saturday. My SA told me I would probably get it on Wednesday. But it just so happened that it actually came in on Monday, which is just over the weekend. Anyhow, let's open this baby out. So just so you guys know, the shipping fee is free from Chanel, which we were very surprised, and I guess sometimes it's good to take advantage of that. All right, anyways. Ooh, finally got this camellia flowers. If you guys watch my micro bag video, you probably know that I was disappointed I didn't get to have the camellia flowers. So I don't really consider that's an official unboxing. Anyways, let's do this. Actually, can you guys guess what is the most difficult items that you can get from Chanel? Okay, it's time to tell you guys. So this is a black dust bag. It's not one of those classic. So I think you guys probably know it's a mini bag. So here actually is the microfiber cloth. This actually helps clean your lambskin. Ooh, I guess I just spilled a little word. Anyway, so yeah, it's very nice that it comes with it. And then here's the care book. Okay. I don't think you guys need to know this too much, right? Anyways. Okay. Are you guys excited? Are you guys excited? Okay, so let me open this. So please comment below. Take your guess what this bag is. Okay, so let me just open it. It's kind of tight, huh? Great. Ta-da! It's the mini square with the champagne gold hardware. Yep, this is very rare. So let me open it. I really love the champagne gold. Ooh, just a felt, right? So here's a felt protector. So we just take it out, and then here's another chain. So this is a single chain. paper in there. So let me show you the inside. And this is made in Italy. I wish when I would get one that it's made in France. Anyway, so, and you can see here, that's the microchip, right? Yep. Really like the lamb skin. So actually, you know what? Let me just take out the sticker as like, you know, it's a halfway off anyways. So let me just do this real quick. Okay. Close it. This is a really nice, more practical mini bag. Oh, by the way, there is a pocket at the back. You'll probably put like some cards. I think it's kind of cool. And then here's a price tag. And this is 22C. And then it's $4,200 US. Okay, so we just put this back. So now let me tell you the story how we got this mini flap, the mini square that we so call. So the 22C, the official runway launch was on November 5th. So on November 7th, we went to the boutique around noontime, like when the store was just open for an hour. And my in-law and I had to, you know, line up with everyone else. And because we don't really have any relationship with any SA at that boutique. And we were like, okay, we'll just wait. We only have like 5 or 6 people ahead of us. So let's just wait. So then we waited for over an hour. And on that day, I was carrying my Mini Lindy and my in-law was carrying her Birkin 30. And as we walked in, the SA was greeting us and she was really nice at first. She was really nice. And so I requested something rare. I didn't want to tell you guys what I've reserved. I just want to leave it a little secret. So if you guys want to see furthermore, just, you know, please subscribe to my channel and then hit the bell notification so that you won't miss any of my updates. Anyways, so my husband and I have been like recommending her to get the mini square, but then she wasn't sure because they don't have any similar or any exact size of the bag to show her, to make sure that she liked it or not. So then I was like, okay, can we have your contact? So perhaps, no, we'll contact you when my mother-in-law decide. And then so we went to another Chanel boutique and they happen to have the shilling. If you watch another video about my shopping vlog at the Hirschlivers, that Chanel boutique, they're actually a mini square, but it's in shilling material. And then she saw that size, the length of the chain is the same. So my mother-in-law said, yeah, I think the mini square is good for me. It should be the one for me. And then we were trying to tell her this is a really rare item. If the SA says she can reserve, I think you should go for it because before the price changes, it's kind of rare that we thought the price increase in 22C would include the mini square, but it did not. So then it's like, it's whether you get it now or until the price increase. I don't think it's a really good decision. So immediately I text the SA and say, hey, these are my mother-in-law's informations. So is it possible to reserve the mini square? Yeah, so then she said she will open the profile and she will make a reserve for her. And I also asked about, because we don't technically live very near by the boutique. So then I also asked her, so when it comes, is it possible to ship? And my SA said, well, the first order, you have to come in person. in the future it can be shipped. So we're like, okay. And it's just so happened this past Saturday, random, very random. It was just like we technically just woke up and I got a text. I was looking at my phone and I got a text and said, oh, I have the mini square for your mother-in-law. And I was like, what? What just happened? Because our plan was not going anywhere nearby the boutique. But of course, we kind of detour and then to go to that boutique, and we pick up this, and it's very interesting. As we were in the store, there was two customers who were like staring, like literally staring at the bag and staring at the bag while my mother-in-law is trying it on. And then it's hilarious how one of them actually came to our SA and asked, can she try on this? Like, seriously, can you believe it? Like, you don't really see anyone would dare to do that, especially you have your own SA. Her SA came and said to her, said to my SA saying, no, she's my client. And my SA told her, you cannot try this. You cannot buy this. You cannot even try it or touch it because it's my client's. My client reserved this. And so that customer asked if she can reserve. And my SA said, no, like it's not available. And you have to talk with your SA. Your SA has to reserve for you. You cannot ask other SA for it. And the customer's SA said to my SA that she did explain to her that this is not available. It has to be reserved. And then right now they're not taking any more reserved for the mini square. So as you can see, like it's a kind of similar situation to Hermès, that you want to dedicate to your own SA. You don't want to cross abroad to another SA. It's like, this is a luxury boutique. This is not like a random, it's not like a random flea market or like any of like ready to wear store. Like it's not like that, it's, you have to build some sort of relationship. I mean, we were very lucky. Technically, we didn't really build too much of a relationship. And then I think it's really about how we dress, because I think we dress pretty properly. We bring like the Hermès Mini Lindy, which is a rare item, and then the Birkin 30. It's just so rare. Like both of us were carrying some rare items. So I think it kind of proves to the Chanel SA that, we're definitely not a reseller, because I know Chanel, the reason why they start doing the microchip, it's part of the way for them to track where the bag goes. Like if it ever gone to the reseller store, it's like they can track down which clients. Like I would assume that. So as we are carrying some rare item from Hermès, and obviously it proves that we're not one of those, and we are pretty specific exactly what we are looking for. It's not like we're just browsing. Like she asked me like, oh, so what can help you today? What are you guys looking for? I even told her what I'm looking for. Like I know exactly what I want. And of course I also asked for another items, and but I also show that I'm not 100% familiar with Chanel, but I think that's okay though. Like I think they need new customers anyways, but if you dress to impress, I think is a lot easier for you to request or reserve any of the rare items, or we so-called rare items. And another tips I want to give you guys is that because I went 2 days after the official launch to the public, like the runway show, 2 days after, I think they only do it for like 2 weeks before the runway until very recent to the runway because they were still waiting for the shipment. They're still waiting for the inventory. I think there's still leniency that they can, you know, say reserve to which clients. They have the right. I mean, they know. One good thing about Chanel is that they know what is coming. Because when I asked for the mini square, she was looking at the phone. At first, she said she doesn't have it. It's not coming in. But then she's like, okay, actually, let me check. And then she checked on her device. And then she's like, no, actually, it is coming in. And then no one reserved it yet. So she could put our name down. That's my assumption. And I think a lot of time you want to try that. And then sometimes when we ask for items, if she's like, I can reserve it for you, it's like a very good sign. If they say they will reserve for you, they will reserve for you. If they say, I will put you on the waiting list, or no, it's very hard to get, it's only for the VIPs or whoever spent a lot, I think that's like for a particular smaller store, I feel like. So in our case, we're lucky, like we went into like a bigger store and they probably get more inventory. And actually in the US, maybe not a lot of people requesting this, but I know a lot of customers also looking for this at other boutiques. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing videos and with a little story behind the Chanel, how we scored this, you know, rare Chanel bag. So if you guys want me to tell you more tips about shopping at Chanel, I can definitely do another video focusing on really the strategies and how we got our items. Also, there will be more Chanel unboxing coming in. As I said, this is one of the 3. Even though this is not technically for me, like I didn't score this for myself, but I was involved in the whole relationship building. So if there's any other related questions about this bag, please feel free to comment below and I will try my best to answer all your questions, or you can PM me on my Instagram and you can follow my Instagram and the account is above. If you have not yet subscribed to my channels, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you won't miss any of my future videos. Especially, I am going to unbox possibly 2 more of Chanel bag. I'm just waiting for the call. Anyways, as always, thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys next time. Bye!